In this video, I will show you how to refund a game on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you want to refund a game on Steam, maybe you've changed your mind and you no longer want the game, or maybe you've bought the game and realised that your PC can't handle the game, it's not got the right specifications or something like that, then the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to the top, you're going to see your name up here, give that a click, and from here come and click onto account details. Then what you need to do is you're going to see store and purchase history, make sure you clicked onto account details, and in here you're going to see an option to view your purchase history, so give that a click. What that's going to do is bring up your purchase history and you can see all your different purchases, including wallet credit and different games you've purchased on Steam. From here, to refund a game, all you need to do is find the game that you want to refund. For example, let's go for Terraria down here, give it a click, and that's going to take you to the Steam support page. Now on here, you're going to see it says, what issue are you having with this purchase? And you can see at the top, there's an option to request a refund. So give that a click. Then what you can do if you are having gameplay or technical issues, you can click here and request for someone to help you with the game or technical support or things like that. But if you are just looking to get a refund, you can see there's an option here to request a refund. So what you want to do is give that a click. What it's going to do is check your eligibility to see if you would be able to request a refund. Now, as you can see, refunds are typically not issued for purchases that are more than 14 days old. Because this was purchased back in 2023, which was a couple of years ago, then generally it's not going to be refunded unless you have a good reason. However, this doesn't stop you from requesting a refund. It just makes you aware that basically refunds are not typically issued for purchases more than 14 days old. But to continue, just come down, you're going to see a tell us why section, so you just need to let Steam know a reason for why you want a refund for the product. So you can click onto here, you can see you can select a reason from here. For example, it's just not fun, or it crashes, or it won't start, or you purchased it by accident. Whatever reason you've chosen, just select it from here. You can add some additional notes here as well. Now once you've done that, you can read more about their refund policy. There is a link there. But if you're happy to go ahead, then what you can do is submit your request and they're going to give you the email, which is generally going to be the one linked to your Steam account. They're going to give you a response to that email. So just keep an eye on your email. Generally, it's done within about 48 hours. And they will send you an email letting you know whether they will be sending you a refund or not. So that is how to refund a game on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.